All right, let's go back to one of our top stories. The driver of the bakkie that was involved in a crash in which 13 people were killed in Ukapseweg in Cape Town is still at large. 13 others were injured when the driver apparently lost control of the vehicle and crashed into a barrier. Now, police say the driver fled the scene. In Western Cape, traffic police say preliminary investigations show that the bakkie's brakes failed. A case of culpable homicide is being investigated.
This bakkie was carrying 23 passengers, believed to be construction workers. The driver lost control of the vehicle and it veered off the road.
He then crashed into the barriers. In this accident, 10 people lost their lives. Apparently there was 23 people on the bakkie at the time of the accident. Obviously this bakkie was overloaded. And then the bakkie's brakes was also not in a good working condition.
The driver fled the scene. The identities of the victims are unknown at this stage. It's also not clear which construction company they worked for. Police says they've opened a case of culpable homicide. They're hoping the driver of the bakkie will be arrested soon. Linky Bierman, SABC News, Cape Town.